Hello, this is Chelsea Elwood with Keller Williams Realty East Valley. Just wanted to give you a brief market update on what we're seeing here in the real estate market in June and July this summer. We have a very interesting market still. I have the stats on the screen behind me. We've had 8,228 sales in the month of July, so far from July 11th here, which is really good. We've had 9,000 added to the market, so it's getting a little bit more inventory, which is going to slow the buyers down and slow down the multiple offer situations and eventually get us to that balanced market that we're so desperately seeking. The total inventory we have here is a little bit inflated on this number. It says 19,000. We're actually at 16,245 as of just now. The 19,000 number is a 1.7% decline year over year, actually, because of that shortage like I mentioned earlier. As we're all working really hard to get the housing shortage back up into that stable level at about 30,000 homes on the market. That's where we're trying to go, and that is our goal. So we've made a lot of progress. About 12 to 14 months ago, we were at 6,000 to 8,000 homes on the market. So as you can see, we've made a lot of progress. As we go down here, there's 2.37 months supply of inventory, which is important to know. So based on the research here, every 2.37 months in our Phoenix market, which includes Maricopa County and Pinal County, the entire inventory will turn over ideally, as the numbers lead us to believe. We all know that's not quite the case. Some houses sit there longer and some go in 2 days rather than 2 months. But the average there is 2.37 months. Like I mentioned before, our balanced market is going to be 4 or 5 months supply, not 2.5. So like I said, we still have a lot of room to go. Our new list prices here, as you can see, our average list price here for 2013 is $275,000. The median is $199,000. So there's a little bit of difference there. That's the median numbers, where half the homes in the market have sold under that $200,000 point, where half of them are selling over that $200,000 point. When you average everything out, that's when we get that 275 number. That's taking into account everything, in the $1 million range to the $30,000 condos. The sales price comparatively from the 275 is 237 currently, whereas the median from 199 to 180. This is the sold number, whereas the previous number here was the listing number or the asking price. So after the market has kind of corrected itself with the buyers and sellers meeting on terms, they aren't that different. This again is a 22% year-over-year gain in value. That's important to note. We are still gaining speed, and we expect that number to continue throughout the rest of the year. There's the average days on market, like I said, the 2.3 months-ish or so. We have 66 days when we break it down into days. The month supply, 2.37, means the entire market is going to turn over in those 2.37 months. 66 days on market is what we're seeing per house on average. So still a really low number. Like I said, we're looking for that 3 to 4 month supply with 3 to 4 months on the market. Since the market's so hot, we're still seeing homes fly off the shelves in a week. It's a really good time to sell. There's still a surplus of buyers in our marketplace, and interest rates are still relatively low when you've looked back at our history. Interest rates for mortgages have been as high as 13, 18, even 20% in the past. So when we're looking at 4 to 5% where they are right now, we're still in a really good spot. Money is still really cheap. It's time to go buy your house. If you're looking to sell, those are all incentives that people are looking at when they go, and get into the marketplace. So it's still a seller's market. You can still get really close to your asking price if it's priced correctly. And if you'd like to know what your house fares in your exact neighborhood, those statistics, please give me a call. My phone number, 602-748-6136. You can also check me out on my website, sellyourhouse.yourkwagent.com. I'm happy to speak with you and let you know what your home is actually worth and how quickly we can think it will sell. So, like I said, 602-748-6136, sellyourhouse.yourkwagent.com. Thanks!